Hello everyone. So finally our Asset Manager plugin for Photoshop is out and I'm very excited to announce you the whole demonstration video about this simple but useful tool. All you need to do is to just install ZXP installer. So it's the basic software for plugins on any Adobe Photoshop or any other Adobe softwares. It will help you to install the main plugin. So first of all, go to by the link that I will leave you under this video, zxpinstaller.com. Download the installer software. Just simply drag and drop our ZXP plugin inside of the software, and you can find extension on Windows tab or just hit Control F hotkey on your Photoshop and search panel. So after that, you just need to register with a valid email address. Wait a bit for getting back confirmation that so it can simply just take a bit longer time than normal. Don't worry, it will. The server will confirm your request, and after request confirmation, you will become pro member instead of basic. So it's important part. If you are a basic user, you can use only few assets that will only for trial version. But if you're a pro member, you will be able to use every asset on our marketplace, which we will gonna provide special zip files for these plugins. So every assets we're launching, it can be like PNG cutouts, reference packs, or everything else that has this file format. We will launch for our plugin as well. It will be special zip file. Just a simple zip file, but it has necessary information for you to install inside of our plugin, which will allow you to fastly to use your assets faster than ever. You will have permission to just simply try it. So maybe it's useful for you, or you don't find any additional necessary for using this plugin for you. In my case, I will provide some tutorials where it will be the main part of the series, because I will show you how to use assets in quick way, in a better way, by using this kind of panel, which will allow you to navigate through and find assets by part of the name, like large file format support, like PNG, JPEGs, GIFs in one place, one-click download into your scene or artboard. So you can register it once and use it forever. You can just add your custom keywords to your assets, and you will search them by your words, and you can it will be better navigation for you. So in a few words, the plugin is multifunctional. Assets Manager plugin for Photoshop and After Effects. It will give you fast access to your provided assets, references, galleries, kits, packs, and use it faster than before to save some time and work on your project more productive. This is just beta version of our plugin. We're planning to add more and more features to make this kind of stuff a bit of better and better. Some new and very interesting features will come in alpha version, like you will be able to add your assets into the panel or generate your special zip files, and you will be able to share them with your friends and stuff. So everything is just starting. So just